Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about professional logos. Now, when some people start their website for the first time, a lot of people overlook the fact that they're going to need a logo or some type of branding for their website. Now, some people end up spending hundreds of dollars for logos, or they don't even know where to go to get started to create a logo. So what I did is put together some very good links that you can go to so you can get started with your logo design so you can improve your WordPress website very fast. Now, the first link is 99 Designs. So let me open this one so I can give you just a quick overview. Now, if you click on 99 Designs, you can browse by categories here. You want to click the drop down menu and click on Logo and Identity and click here where it says Logo Design. Okay, so this is where you want to click. Now, they'll show you some brief examples of some of the logos they have. And it says here that you get designs from 10 plus designers, and then prices start from $2.99. But the thing is, on this website, you can basically give people an idea of the design you want. Then 10 plus designers will create a design for you, and then you pick the best one out of the 10. So basically, you have 10 people creating designs for you, and out of those 10, there should be a logo that you like. Now, these are very professional, which is why the price is $2.99. But if you scroll down, look how professional these logos look. These are very, very nice logos that you can use on your website. Okay, so like I said, here's some right here that you can look at. You can also get started here. And they also have a link here that says see how it works. So you can click here to get started if you have the budget and you actually want to pay someone do the design for you. Like it says, which designs do you like? Let's start by helping your designers understand which styles you prefer. So what you would do, you would scroll down here and find some designs that you like. So the designers will basically have a foundation of the type of logo that you want. And as you can see, these are very professional. So if you have the budget of about $300 and you want a very professional logo for your business, you can use this website here. And once again, this is 99 Designs. Now, the next website that you can use is called logogenie.net, and this is simpler. So let me go ahead and click this one, open this one in a new tab, explain to you how this one works. Now, this is very simple. Watch how simple this is. Start designing your logo. So you click here, okay. The screen loads up, and this one's way less expensive. It's like maybe $50 to $100 for a logo. But you create it yourself. So it's not 100% custom, but you basically use a template. So let's just say, for example, here, business management. Okay, company name. Let's type in read to learn. Okay, slogan, web design experts. Okay, click next. And as you can see, look, they already have some templates ready to go. So this is way easier. Now, this isn't 100% custom, but you can get some ideas of some of the type of logos you can have for your website. So let's say, for example, let's say this one. So you click this one. Okay, then you can change some things to it if you want. You can change the text, okay, the font. So let's say we like it like that. We click save. Okay. And then basically, once you customize the logo exactly the way you want, you can go ahead and buy the logo. And like I said, they're usually in between anywhere from $40 to $50. Okay, let's say we want to keep it like this. Next step. Okay, that's it. You create your information, you log in. Okay, you sign into the account, and that's it. You can basically purchase the logo. So this is a very simple software that you can use too. And as you can see, this took me less than a few minutes. So you can use this if you're on a tighter budget, but you want a logo right away. You can always use this as a temporary measure. You can always, change your logo later. But this will at least get you started very quickly if you have a very small budget. Now, if you're someone who wants to create your own logo, you can actually use logo software. Okay, now here's one right here by SummitSoft. Okay, so if you click that link, it will take you to the software here. Now, you might like this better because you can buy this software for only $40. You can buy it, and then you can make unlimited logos by yourself. As you can see, Logo Design Studio Pro. This is very simple. You can pick from over 2,000 pre-designed logo templates. So this will give you over 2,000 templates. You can create as many logos as you want forever for only $40. So this gives you more flexibility. And that's what I started with, to basically figure out how I wanted the logo to look myself. And then after that, once you get an idea, this might even be easier for you, because then you can show your preliminary design to someone who's more like professional, like a graphic designer, and they can make the final design for you. But this might be even more economical because it's only $40 and you can play with the templates yourself. Okay, so you can make unlimited logos yourself for only $40. And as you can see, they have some add-ons here. You might not necessarily need these, okay? But they do have some add-ons just in case. But you order it, you buy it, and then you can just design logos yourself, only $40. So this is very important. Like I said, this class is about teaching you how to improve your WordPress website fast. So I gave you 3 different options. You can have the very professional one. You can have the semi-professional logo that's already created for you. It's a very simple template. Or you just can go ahead and buy the software yourself and create your own logos. You can create them from scratch, or you can use the templates, and it's only $40 one-time fee. So this is very important, and this will help you get started and to get your website looking very professional, okay? And this will help you improve your website and improve your branding. So if you have any questions in regards to logos, feel free to contact me. If not, I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk about contact forms. So I'll see you there.